So I have already created my image with the black background layer. So now select the ellipse tool. Make sure to check the expand from center and the fixed aspect ratio 1:1. And now I'm just going to make my selection here, my circle, press enter to confirm. And now create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. Select the gradient tool. And now for the gradient, you can create your own gradient with orange and yellow to mimic the sun color. Or you can just left click on the gradient. I'm going to select pre-made gradient on Gimp. So this one here, yellow, orange. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient. So here like this. So now I'm going to flip the orange down here. So I'm just going to click on this icon here to reverse it. And now just select another tool here to confirm. And now go to select none to remove the selection. And now press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now select the gradient tool again. But this time left click here on the gradient. I'm going to select the foreground to background RGB. Make sure the foreground is black and the background is white. And now I'm going to trace my gradient on the new layer here. So I'm going to start it from here. So I'm going to move it here. So I want to make the black color in the bottom. So I'm just going to reverse it. So if you hold the control key, so you can, for example, rotate the gradient. So here like this with the fixed angle. So I'm going to leave it here. And now just select another tool here to confirm. And now go to filter, distort, and then select newsprint. For the color model, select the black and white. For the pattern line, for the angle, double click. I'm going to change it to 0, press enter. So I have horizontal lines. And now for the period, I'm going to increase it to my liking. So here like this. So I'm going, I think, to leave it here and now press OK. Now I'm going to remove the white color from this layer. So go to colors and then color to alpha. So as you can see, it is already removed. So just left click on the color. So here we have already selected the white. It's by default the white, and now press OK. And now select the move tool. Left click here on the lines layer. Left click, hold the control key to move it on a straight line. And then you just need to position your layer. So here, so I'm going to leave it here. And now I'm going to move these two first lines here. Select the rectangle select tool. Now I'm going to make selections. So here like this, press enter. Make sure you're selecting the lines layer and then just press the delete key on your keyboard. And now go to select none. And now if you select the move tool, you can still, for example, with the control key, you can still adjust it. So here I think I'm going to leave it here like this. And now you can either use the select by colors tool to remove the colors here from the black lines, or just select the top layer, the lines layer. And then here change the layer mode to erase. And now just merge down. So click on this icon here. And now here it is. And now just select the top layer, right click, layer to image size.